welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace. I don't know if you guys can hear me because where I am it's a bit windy. So today I've brought you to one of the most amazing and interesting places in Kenya, Nairobi. And judging from the topic, I already know if that is on English, I already know where we are today. So even before I tell you where we are or the gist of where we are, let me tell you something, guys. Did you know that Kenya is proven, according to the analytics, to be one, or let me say among the most fastest growing East African countries, and that includes the railway parts. Nugget. So yeah, today we have come to the Nairobi Railway Museum to just get to know a little bit of history, from where we began in terms of history, from where we began in terms of the first railway to be built in Kenya, where was it going, and all those. So we are gonna be knowing in the next few. You guys can see the wall is walling. Yeah. So then again, it's also a very nice place to shoot music videos, to come and relax, to come and just do a lot of your you time. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe. Now open up. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to bring you the history of the Kenya Railway. So, initially the railway was called the Uganda Railway. This is because it was originally built by the British to provide Uganda with access to the sea, having been Uganda is a landlocked country. So, construction began at Mombasa in the year 1896 and finally reached Lake Victoria in the year 1901. Apparently, the line was nicknamed Lunatic Line. This is after Henry Labacha, who was a member of the British Parliament, gave a very mocking reply to the British Foreign Minister back then concerning the project. During the construction, for sure difficulties were encountered, including man-eating lions that killed 30 workers and flesh-eating maggots. However, they decided to merge it in the year 1929, which now gave the name Kenya and Uganda Railways and Harbours. Later on, it dissolved and the Kenya's portion became the Kenya Railways Corporation, which also deteriorated from lack of maintenance. In the year 2006, after the Rift Valley Railways took over, it was unable to change it. This is because of the corrupt management and, of course, aging infrastructure. So later on, the World Bank decided to fund Kenya with $22 million loan for the railway, which was instead builded the Shell company. Eventually, in the year 2011, Kenya signed a memorandum of understanding with China to build the Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway, which is now commonly known as the SGR. Currently, we are proud to say that Kenya is enjoying one of the cheapest, swift and luxurious services of the SGR, which are located in different stations in the country. For example, we have different stations in Nairobi, Mombasa, Voi, Mtitwandei, Ngong, Suswa, Ongata Rongai, and of course many more. All thanks to our former president, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. Thank you. So now guys, we are done with the inside part. Let us visit the outside part. Hey, this thing is so old. So apparently this was the toilet. Let us see if we can open. We can't. Guys, I'm even afraid because I'm alone. Do not use the toilet. Come on, we're not gonna use the toilet. Let me show you how it is. This was amazing. So in a first class. Guys, ndio ilikuanga first class za hiyo masiku. These were people write names who have visited here. So guys, I'm gonna be ending that video on that particular point, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you learned one or two things from that video, and I also really hope it makes you come to visit this place and also get to see things for yourself and also learn a lot. And if you're a content creator, the most amazing thing about this place is that they allow you to record every single thing. The only disadvantage is I don't know if they do have, but for me, unfortunately, I haven't gotten someone who can just explain to me, this is what happened, this is that, and but anyway, the good part is that they allow people to record and just be yourself, because they're also musicians recording. I don't know if you guys saw from the video, there are also children coming to just enjoy themselves. Yeah, it's a very nice place to come and chill and also get to learn the history. Yeah. What do I tell you? Okay, I'm out of words, but thank you so much, Kenya, Nairobi Railway, for accepting us to record as content creators. So until to the next video, my guys, I really love you so much. Remember to subscribe and let us meet in the next video. Bye.